Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a review on our lovely HiSmile Teeth Whitening Kit. I've heard that it's really good. I've heard that it whitens your teeth and does all these amazing things, but I wanted to try it out myself and I wanted to show you guys the actual process of doing it. My teeth obviously are very stained, as you can see. Black coffee. I'm a sucker for black coffee. Plus not everywhere always has soy milk, so it's just easier to go for black. But they are very stained I went to the dentist. When did I go to the dentist? Quite a while ago. A few months ago, probably 6 months ago, probably overdue for a checkup. But I went and they did do a airbrush whitening thing. Not quite sure, probably talking rubbish, but paid a little bit extra and they basically got rid of some staining off my teeth, and they said it was like from the black coffee and that. But obviously since then I've been drinking black coffee again, so it kind of defeats the object. But today I'm going to try this lovely kit out and see if it does anything. I think obviously after the first time it's probably, I don't know, it might show some difference, but it's probably not going to show a great deal of a difference. But I think if I keep on using it and keep like showing you guys the progress of the kit. I think I've only got like 3 in here. Let's open it up and have a look. So, I'm not very good at opening parcels. Destroying the bag. Oh, this is very nice. Oh wow. Okay, so in here we've got the mouth guard with the LED light, and obviously your gels. I believe you get, yes, 3 gels in this container. And how am I going to open this? I didn't bring any scissors in here. No. Let me try and open it with my nails. I don't have what nails, like hating not having my acrylics, but we will get by. And this time, okay. Oh, there we go. I was going to say this is going to be a 10 minute of watching me trying to open a parcel then. There we go. So let's put that down there. Litter on my floor, it's fine. Oh, this box is really nice. So this is the packaging, if anybody doesn't already know. Oh wow, this is fancy. I'm like such a noob to this, as you can see. Like I'm like, ooh, this has been out for ages. But anybody that hasn't used it and is like thinking of using it, this is what it looks like on the inside. You've got like your little shaded, kind of wants to focus, there we go, shades, your colour shades, and then you've got your mouth guard and your LED light and your 3 gels at the top. So I'm guessing you use, oh, they're all in quarter. They're in quarter marks, so I'm guessing I really need to read the instructions because I know I'll do this wrong and then it will be pointless me showing you guys. Oh yes, okay, there's a reason why they're on quarter things. So open, cover to remove plastic tag. Okay, twist to remove gel. Apply quarter gel to the top of the tray along the line and to the bottom. 10 minutes, rinse, repeat daily. Do you have to brush your teeth before you do this. See, I brushed my teeth this morning, but you know, some teeth whitening things say you have to brush your teeth and then put them on. I've used like strips before and you've had to wash them, and that coconut oil thing. Just feel like they're just not that great, like, and I want something a bit more intense, like keep them whiter for longer sort of thing. So I'm really hoping this works. I'm like, fingers crossed, because I've heard so many good reviews about it and I've seen so many YouTube videos on it, so many people on Instagram raving about it. I'm like, please work. Okay, so it doesn't say anything about brushing your teeth beforehand. For lasting results, repeat one application every 2 weeks. Each gel contains 2 uses. Use once a day for 6 days. Oh, okay, so you've got like a week's worth. That's good. You can so totally tell that I didn't even look into this. I kind of just went, oh, this is good, I'm gonna buy this, order it, it comes, and then I'm like, what the hell have I got to do with it? Oh dear. Right, so this is quite fancy. So I'm guessing, oh, this is where we've got to do the little, I wonder what, it's gonna be horrendous, but let's have a look, guys. So, my teeth, where are they? On here, so they're not going to be anywhere near there. This is hard to get that to, okay, they're not that yellow. It's my sides that are the most yellowish. I feel this is harder than I thought it was going to be. I'm just like, oh, look at my teeth. I really wanted to show you guys though, like I've got no fancy teeth, I've got no veneers, I've got nothing, like no amazingness. Okay, I'd probably say it's like along maybe 7 or 8. Let me look in this little mirror here. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's like around the 7 or 8, because it's not, I mean, they're not massively yellow, they're not down here. I'd say they're along here. I'm like, oh, sweating, sorry guys, it's really hot in this room. It's a really hot day. And I don't know if you can hear, but someone's got some like weed cutter or cutting a tree down or something outside, so I had to close the window, so it's like proper sweltering in here. So I do apologise that I'm dripping of sweat, please ignore. Yeah, I'm gonna say 7 or 8, because I'm not like massively dark in yellow, but I'm nowhere near like massively white either. So we'll go with that and then see if it lightens it, because it does, I'm pretty sure it said on the website something like 2 shades lift guarantee or something like that. I'm not quite sure. I should probably read this stuff before I before I order it and then say, oh, I'm going to do a review on it, guys. But we will test this little beauty out. I just want it to be, I'm like probably looking at this because I'm like one of these people that buys something, goes full in and ends up breaking it and then going, oh crap, that was a load of waste of money. Like, I really need to read the box again. So bear with, I'm probably taking much longer than it needed to put this on. Attach mouth tray. Is that easier said than done? Am I, oh right, okay. Oh god. I'm gonna write, oh no. Okay, that's actually pretty easy. So if you're not really stupid like me, you just literally attach it on. It's really simple actually. I just don't want to break it. And then you put the gel in. This is where I'm gonna get it absolutely everywhere. So you put the gel in these 2 bits here. And then 10 minutes and rinse and repeat daily. Okay, so the gel itself, twist to remove gel lid before applying gel. Oh god, here we go. You watch, I'm gonna end up looking like bloody, what's his face, Ross off of Friends, when he leaves the teeth whitener on for too long and he's like, oh, what do you think? And it's like beaming bloody white teeth. Like I'm literally, oh god, I really hope I'm not going to turn out like that. So it says quarter, so we need to pay attention now. So quarter, let me put this on here because I don't want to, this is going to be, oh, okay, didn't really do that very evenly. Oh, I don't think I did that right. So wait, Hamlet, where's the next quarter mark? Oh, there, right, okay. Okay. This is, oh god, making a right old mare of this. This is like trying to watch your nan or your mum work a modern phone. Do you know what I mean? Like, how does it work? Trying to take a picture and that, oh god. And text. Does anybody else's mum do that? Literally, my mum always comes to me with her phone and she's like, can you send a text to my friend please? And tells me what to say, and I'm like, Mum, you know how to text. It's like, yeah, but you're quicker, you can just, you know. And I'm like, okay, thanks Mum. So final bit, I'm thinking you just pull, turn and pull to open. So turn and pull, there we go. Remove your little, so I've just turned and pulled the back off, pulled that out. It does say to do that first, to be fair. I don't know why I've just done that back to front. Oh, made a little beeping noise, so I think we are all a go. And then you turn it back the other way. It says lock, open and lock. Pretty simple and straightforward, just me being an absolute melon. Okay, so here goes. I'm hoping to get some good results because I really think I put this in wrong, but we'll go. And then we apply by putting it in our mouth. So Okay, I'm back. Sorry guys, I had to go and rinse my mouth, that stuff. And I've just like given this a quick rinse as well, just because obviously, I mean, I don't know if there was still supposed to be like gel stuff still in it. I'm guessing so. Like, I'm pretty sure I swallowed some of it, which is probably not the best thing to do, but this is me at the end of the day, and I'm trying to every time I try and do any sort of teeth whitening thing, I end up swallowing half the product before I've even like sorted it out. I mean, I'm not very good. As you could tell, I was getting my lips all caught and everything. Like, I'm no pro at this, but this is, now I can say that I feel like they're a little bit whiter, but I don't feel like I'm like wowed away yet. So probably more than likely I did it a little bit wrong. But obviously I'll keep going at it. I've still got obviously all the rest, and obviously it does say, you know, after a couple of uses it's probably going to see some sort of result. So I am going to keep going at it and like keep you guys informed and let you know what I think. But yeah, all in all, it's a quick and easy little kit, to be fair. It's easy to use, like once you read it and know what you're doing and you're not stupid like me. But yeah, it's quite pretty straightforward and simple. Okay, and I just love the little box that it comes in as well. It's like really neat and tidy in that. And obviously you've got your little maybe, where's the, is this gonna focus? So yeah, I'm feeling more so a 7 and a 6 now, but I don't know if that's just me. So it's personal preference, I suppose. I'm gonna keep going at it. It was quite a cool little thing. I set a 10-minute timer on my phone, but I think it's actually got a timer in it, because when my phone went off, the light went off. So I think it's, see, once you press it, I think it's in there for 10 minutes anyway, like the light process, the LED light process. Does that even, are we even making sense now, Fee? No. But no, I think it's a good old little straightforward little kit. I'm just hoping it does do something, because I've got obviously not massive staining, but it just staining from black coffee. But then I'm going to continue drinking black coffee, so it's just a thing that I'm going to have to keep up with. But I thought I'd try it out, and I thought I'd show you like the real side of an actual real review, instead of, you know, you see these ones where it's like, oh yes, great, it works, and you don't actually see the process of them using it, and it's like, is it working? So I thought I'd just do my own little review on me actually trying to work it, and see what happens. I mean, now I keep looking at a teeth in there in the viewfinder, and I'm like, has it whitened them a little bit? Does it take a little while for it to come out? I don't know, I'm not too sure. But anyway, I'm going to end that video now. Thanks for watching, guys. Obviously let me know if there's anything in particular that you guys do want to see. I'm going to be uploading on Wednesdays and Sundays, more videos, more fun videos to come. I'm probably going to do some more reviews, got a few hauls, got a few interesting videos coming up, so keep watching and subscribe to get those notifications of when my next video will be up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.